It's at 20 psi. Give it gas. Oh. Yo, what? Today, we got something special for y'all. We're gonna go pick up some parts. We're actually gonna go pick up the fuel lines and the fuel fittings. Not only for my car, but for my brother's car and a friend of my car that is K-swapped. So, without further ado, we are gonna hit the road. We're going down to Hialeah. We're going to the shop. I forgot what the shop is called. Well, yeah. Before I go, I got my fender back on the car. The one that I had was crushed, and I actually spray painted this with can spray paint. And I'm not done buffing it yet, but it came out pretty decent for someone like me. It's alright. What up, y'all? We just made it to, what's the place called? Nippon. And we're about to go get the fuel fittings. But bro, this Evo though, that boy clean. Oh. Alright, so we just got the parts that we needed. I'm not about to walk in the rain with the camera, but there's a nice little Evo, a nice little Subaru right here, you know, going back to Broward. And we got all the parts that we needed. We got the fuel rail, we got fuel fittings, we got fuel lines, and some extra stuff. So I'll show it to you when I get back home. Prefer Burger King fries over McDonald's fries? Yeah, nigga. You got issues. It has no salt, no flavor. Look at that, dog. It look like sickness. You got issues, bro. You got issues. Anyways, we on the way back home. I'll see y'all when I get home. With the fries. You bugging. What's going on? Yo, I'm gonna try this again. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Back at my brother's house. We're gonna work on the K24Hatch. And we got this convict with us.
Stop putting me in your videos.
Nobody wanna see you anyways.
I'm gonna report you.
For what?
For
Whoa.
Stop it, not have it continuously.
Bring it out. How far you want to bring it? Alright.
So far out that it's giant back in.
You got issues, yo. Alright, that's straight. Alright, so where we left off last part, we got the shifter cables ran, we got the conversion harness in, we got some of the fuel lines ran. So the next thing that we need to do is to connect this fuel line back to the fuel filter, and we got to get the return set up. So yeah, then we got to get the passenger side axle in. Huh? Oh, the other one wasn't in? Oh snap. Alright, so we gotta get both axles in and put a base map on the computer and start it, pretty much. And we gotta install this. So here we have the 2420 hatch. We left off last time we looked at the car. We did the lines, the cables I mean. We started to run the fuel lines, so we need to figure out how we're gonna get the line from here to here and the return. We got to get the axles in. I have the ECU in my bag, and I think that's all we need to get done today to start the car. Yes, I know we need to get the radiator in. We got the K-tune radiator bracket. I got those yesterday. It's one of the things that I bought yesterday. We got extra hose and we got fittings. So we're gonna get situated. We're gonna get prepared to get this car started. Yes, that's it right there. I think this line is a bit too long though. Huh? Yeah. I'll buy like a foot, like a whole foot.
This one, I think it's still like a straight.
Yeah, but I remember we're gonna move this pretty soon.
Does he want to delete the filter?
I think I think eventually we are. So I guess this is straight for now then.
Is he gonna run it to like redo it?
Still gonna need like room for play with. So
yeah. If you could do something like this, like just so it's not like all in the way of everything. You can just like run
just
it
tie it right there.
Like that, and then say boom.
Okay.
But have this like
still have to cut some off.
What we're gonna do is make it not long, but like just have enough left to like put it on there.
Alright. Yeah.
Put it on the firewall and just do it like this or something, right? Just so you can have that much.
Yeah, because either way, when you remove the filter, we're gonna still have more. Yeah, it should be straight. Yeah.
So just cut it right here.
Like right there. Yeah. Just put the tape there and then we just cut it. You know, say somebody ugly brother.
I've like scissors or something to trim it off.
It's not that bad. Straight.
Oh shit. Boy, I need one of these to beat the fuck out of my kids.
Yo, you just said that on camera. Alright. So we nigger rigging it right now to make it work. Alright. So we're Jimmy rigging it. Or we're rigging it to make it work. Because what I said before, I guess we couldn't use it.
It's not guess, you just can't.
Yeah, alright, we can't use it. So we're making it work. What? What'd you say?
Nothing, bro.
You talking smack?
Like always.
Anyways, yeah, we're trying to get this thing to work so we can actually right now we should be able to start it too after we run the return down there, because once it has fuel I could just load up the tune, crank it should start.
Yeah,
I have the ECU and I have my tablet. Yeah. So while he's over there dealing with the fuel, I am going to deal with the ECU and put a base map on it so we can get it started real quick. So I'm gonna connect the ECU, get my tablet connected, and I'll pick up the camera there. Alright, ECU connected. Got the tablet going. Got Honda opened, and we're just gonna run our base map.
Sorry. I said I was sorry.
But are you?
Actually. Hey Ken, let's do it. Do me a favor. That looks like AIDS. That looks like that's the perfect.
What does AIDS look like?
You.
Shots fired. We are lost. I'm trying to go left.
You're zooming on me right now.
Jesus Christ.
What's under that hat?
Knowledge.
He's more here than all of us.
Say what?
He has more here than all of us.
Oh, I can bet. Alright, so we kind of got the fuel line situated, kinda. For right now, we kind of have it set up. Alright, so we're gonna get the base map on here. And let's go with this one. Let's see, connected, and we gotta check out. It's not getting fuel? Go?
I know gas in there, dog. Remember you drain everything?
It's at 20 psi. Give it gas. Give it gas. More. Has no fuel.
No fuel.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I need fuel, but at least it started.
At least it start.
I'm gonna go get gas.
I can go home now.
It
Starts on its own.
Get some gas.
Hey, I'm just making sure it doesn't get
Uh-oh. Hell, I have to wait a minute. Foreign in the yard. Good turn,
How you doing,
good turn.
Chief?
That's always good news going on, man.
Oh yeah. Let me guess that. You smell the car.
Check the fuel. Fuel pressure good, hold up. Alright, so you ready? Another start. Four codes. Fuel pressure tank sensor. Alright, so these are just basic codes I can get rid of. But I mean, everything else, I can clear those codes. These are like for swap cars. It has the P1298 high, the ELD, the O2, both O2 codes, and the fuel tank pressure sensor, fuel tank pressure sensor. So I'll just eliminate those, and everything else should be straight.
Don't do that.
Alright, so we got the car started for today. The next video, we should be getting the radiator in, getting the fluids in. You know, I'm a solder cool. Alright guys, so we got done with the car for today. We got it started, that was the goal. So now we got to get the radiator in. We got to figure out the AC lines. I don't think, are we doing that? Yeah, we got to get the AC done. But for now, we just want to get the radiator in, get the axles in. So we'll probably get that done on Monday. And so we can drive the car, get the exhaust done. And then we'll figure out the AC afterwards, get a proper tune on it, and go from there. Yo, what's going on? So, as you can see, we got the K24Hatch started today. We do have a minor stuff to do to it. We got to get the radiator in. We actually got to get the axles in. Just minor stuff to actually drive the car on the road. We should be getting the exhaust done on both my car and my brother's car. Maybe in another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, hopefully, if all goes well. My car, I actually, as I said, I don't know if you guys seen it, but I actually got my fender back on the car. I buffed the car, I waxed it. I have another fender that I have to put on because I got both fenders for like $20. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's decent. I use Rust-Oleum can paint, and I cleared it, sanded it down, wet sand it, buffed it out. It's okay for a paint job for someone who doesn't know how to paint. So I'll get those thrown on the car. I also have new rotors and brakes for the car that I'll be throwing on soon. I'll be doing that video also. Contents they're rolling in. Actually, I have big news also. So I should be looking for an K24Hatch shell, which I will be K-swapping. I'm really looking for an EG-SI shell, but I mean, if I can find a regular EG shell, maybe a CX or something that is clean for like maybe less than $500, I'll hop on it. I need it because I'm going to be doing that right here in this garage, and I'll be taking you guys along with it. So with that being said, thanks for liking this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, comment, and bless up yourself.